for how our calendar function works. The purpose of the calendar, if you're logged in to your account, go from the dashboard to the calendar. Purpose of the calendar is to track upcoming payments and help you visualize those payments. So we have a chart here of upcoming payments, projected, whether it's match projected, whether it's higher or lower. And we also have a calendar of all the payments coming up and confirmation statuses, whether it's been paid or missed. And you will notice that there is no separation per portfolio. It's grabbing everything. So if you have 5 portfolios, it's consolidating all the values you have in your portfolios to give you an overall figure of what you're getting in your calendar or of dividend distributions. You can see here some of them have been increased, some of them I just set as paid as projected. This feature is relatively new, the status, so you'll see that it hasn't populated every single entry because we added it after the fact, after this was already set up. But yeah, you can track your payments in your calendar, get the monthly totals, see the breakdown per stock entry, and view charting of how it's progressing. And that's the calendar function.